we will see how to print hollow left angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. You can see here in this pattern, every line begins with a space character. Those space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8, 0, then 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. Those space characters are appended with star characters. Here in the first line, there are 5 stars separated with a single space character. In the second line, there are 2 stars separated with 5 space characters. In the third line, there are 2 stars separated with 3 space characters. In the fourth line, 2 stars separated with a single space character. In the fifth line, there is a single star. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use one more variable, a is equal to 4. We are going to use while loop here, while I is less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. Here, j value we are going to decrease by 1. So here j value will be 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And I value we are going to increase by 1. So I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here for this type of pattern we are going to use if, elif and else condition. If I value is equal to 0 first line, then print star character separated with a single space 5 times. Elif I value is equal to 4, fifth line, print 8 space characters appended with single star character. Else print space character multiply by I into 2. Space characters are appended with single star character. That star character is appended with space characters 5, then 3, then 1. So single space character. Here we are going to use j into 2 minus 1, which is going to give us 5, 3 and 1 space character, and those space characters are appended with a single star character. Run this file in the terminal py triangle.py. This is our expected hollow triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number left angle triangle pattern.